Do parallel universes really exist? Or are they just science fiction? Do you believe that right now, in another universe, there's another you living a completely different life? A you who didn't choose this job, didn't fall in love with that person, and isn't watching this video? Sounds like a sci-fi movie, doesn't it? Yet, this is the very question that has puzzled scientists. Are parallel universes real? Or are they merely wild imaginings? Join me as we uncover the truth and controversies behind the multiverse theory. By the end, you may never see the world the same way again. The multiverse theory, one of the boldest and most captivating ideas in modern physics, suggests that our universe is not unique but part of a vast ensemble of other universes. Each of these universes might have its own structure, physical laws, and parameters sometimes similar, sometimes utterly different from the one we inhabit. This idea arises from the need to explain perplexing phenomena in cosmology. Quantum mechanics and string theory, scientists have observed that fundamental physical constants, such as the speed of light, gravitational force, or dark energy, are fine-tuned to create a stable universe like ours. A slight alteration in these constants could lead to a universe collapsing on itself or one incapable of supporting life. This leads to a profound question. Could these constants be randomly tuned across a multitude of universes, with ours being just one where life happens to exist? Stephen Hawking, one of the greatest physicists of the 21st century, once remarked, "The multiverse is not just science fiction. If true, it will completely redefine our understanding of reality." One explanation for the multiverse comes from quantum mechanics. In the microscopic world of particles, quantum mechanics shows that particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously until observed. This phenomenon, called quantum superposition, inspired Hugh Everett's 1954 many worlds interpretation. He proposed that every time an event occurs, such as observing a particle, the universe splits, creating a new reality for each possible outcome. Similarly, string theory posits that our universe might be one among countless bubble universes existing in a higher dimensional space called the bulk. These bubbles may collide, merge, or separate, forming universes with distinct physical properties. The idea of multiverses is also supported by cosmic inflation theory. This theory explains that after the Big Bang, our universe underwent a rapid expansion. If this inflation occurred in different regions of space, each region could form its own distinct universe. Ours is just one among many. The concept of the multiverse isn't exclusive to modern physics. Its roots trace back to ancient philosophy, mythology, religion, and early science. For centuries, humans have pondered, is the world we live in unique? Or are there other worlds existing alongside ours, where everything could be entirely different? Ancient cultures referenced parallel universes metaphorically or through mythological stories. In Hinduism, for example, the idea of lokas describes multiple realms within the cosmic structure, each representing different planes of existence. These realms intersect with our reality and can only be perceived through spiritual enlightenment. In Western philosophy, Greek philosopher Democritus, the father of atomic theory, laid the foundation for the idea of multiple universes. He believed that atoms, the building blocks of matter, could create not just our world but other worlds with entirely different structures. Epicurus, his student, expanded this idea, suggesting that countless worlds exist parallel to one another in infinite space. During the Middle Ages, religious doctrines dominated, and the notion of parallel worlds contradicted established teachings. However, figures like Giordano Bruno courageously argued that the universe was infinite and contained countless worlds. Bruno's ideas were considered heretical, leading to his execution, but they planted seeds for future scientific exploration. Modern science revived the multiverse idea through the 1954 many worlds interpretation by Hugh Everett. He proposed that every quantum decision creates a new branch of reality, redefining our understanding of time and existence. For instance, if you flip a coin, in one universe, you see heads, while in another, you see tails. String theory further strengthens the concept by suggesting that elementary particles are not points but tiny vibrating strings in a 10-dimensional space. These vibrations create universes with varying physical properties. According to the theory, universes may interact or collide, producing phenomena like the Big Bang. Alan Goose's inflation theory added another dimension to the multiverse concept. He theorized that, following the Big Bang, our universe expanded rapidly, but if this process occurred in other regions, they could form independent universes with unique characteristics. The multiverse theory extends beyond physics, offering profound insights into the nature of existence, free will, and the value of life. If there are infinite versions of ourselves living in parallel universes, it raises the question, what defines us in this reality? And do our choices matter if every possibility exists somewhere? From one perspective, every decision creates a new branch of reality, suggesting that life is a collection of infinite possibilities. Does this mean we are truly free to shape our destiny? Or are we merely part of a larger tapestry where all outcomes exist? The multiverse also challenges our perception of life's meaning. If countless universes exist with vastly different physical laws, does it diminish the significance of life in our universe? Conversely, knowing that only a few universes can support life emphasizes the uniqueness and value of our existence, urging us to cherish and protect what we have. The theory inspires empathy and connection. If other versions of ourselves exist, could this deepen our understanding of diversity and acceptance in this reality? It reminds us that each person lives a unique version of their life, making human differences easier to embrace. Finally, the multiverse prompts profound questions about the self. If multiple versions of us exist, what defines the real us? Are we merely fragments of a collective identity across universes? Or is each version an entirely independent entity? Though unproven, the multiverse invites us to reflect on our place in the cosmos, the value of life, and the meaning behind our choices. It's not just a scientific puzzle. It's a philosophical and human journey. What do you think? If another version of you exists in a parallel universe, are they living better or worse than you? And if you had the chance, what would you ask them? Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you believe the multiverse is science, fiction, or something real? Don't forget to like and subscribe to join us on more thrilling explorations of the unknown.